Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass some AI content detectors without using any additional software. I'll be showing you how to do this using Chat GPT only. So, what I did was I wrote a 150-word article via Chat GPT on how AI changed the world. I then did a scan on it in the AI content detector by CopyLeaks. It shows AI content detected and a 99.9% probability for AI. Now, let's get started with ChatGPT. The first thing we need to do is give it some information before asking it to write an article. We'll tell the AI how AI content is assessed by providing information on perplexity and burstiness. Perplexity measures the complexity of the text, while burstiness compares the variations of the sentences. Humans tend to write with greater burstiness, while AI sentences tend to be more uniform. We need to have a good balance between the two when writing content. We'll then ask ChatGPT to rewrite the article we wrote earlier with a high degree of perplexity and burstiness. And there you have it. Let's scan it with AI Content Detector. It shows this is human text now. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.